Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit lead status in HubSpot CRM. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. This gives you access to all the CRM features and settings where you can customize how your lead statuses work. After you've logged in and landed on your main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click on it to open up the settings panel. This is where all the customization and configuration options for your HubSpot account are located. Once the settings panel opens, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see several sections listed vertically. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Data Management. This section contains all the tools you need to manage how your data is organized and displayed within HubSpot. Under the Data Management section, click on Properties. This will take you to the area where you can customize all the different fields and attributes used throughout your CRM, including lead status. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of the properties page. In this search bar, type lead status. This helps you quickly locate the specific property you want to edit without having to scroll through dozens of other options. Once the lead status property appears in the results, click on it. This opens up the detailed editing page where you can modify how this field works and what options it contains. On the left side of the editing page, you'll see an option labeled Field Type. Click on it to access the core settings for this property. Here's where you can adjust the default value of the lead status and change the option style to fit how you want it to display across your CRM. You'll also notice a section for radio options. This is where you can really customize your lead status field. You can adjust the order of the options by dragging them around, edit the label that users see, modify the internal name that HubSpot uses behind the scenes, and even toggle the In Forms button to turn each option on or off depending on whether you want it to appear in your forms. If you need to add more lead status options, simply click Add Option. This creates a new entry where you can input a custom label and internal name for the new status. This is useful if your sales process requires additional stages beyond the default options HubSpot provides. You can also delete any option you no longer need by checking the checkbox next to it. This removes that particular status from your available options, and if you want to completely start over with your lead status options, you can click Clear All Options. This deletes everything and gives you a clean slate to build your lead statuses from scratch. Once you finish making all your changes, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. This applies all your edits and updates your lead status field across your entire HubSpot CRM. And that's it. You've successfully customized your lead status options in HubSpot CRM. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.